Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to resolve the issue we were unable to verify you with this link when using Claude's magic link to sign in to your account. So normally Claude will send you a sign-in email, and when you click that link it automatically signs you in to the desktop app or Claude.ai on the browser. But when this doesn't work, it can be frustrating. So method 1, when you get this message, the first thing I would try is click the try again button. I know it sounds way too easy, but I've oftentimes had that work. Simply click try again. Method number 2 I would try, if that does not work, is go back to your sign-in email and right-click the sign-in button on that email and select Open Link in Incognito Window. And since it opens in the Incognito window, it is free of all the cookies and it will give you the 6-digit code. Copy that 6-digit sign-in code on the sign-in page or your desktop app and click verify email. That should work. If neither of these work for you, drop a comment below and I'll see if I can assist you in some way. And if this saved you some frustration, consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.